Hey guys, hope you're doing good. And today I'm gonna tell you about how to crack any interview. And before that, I wanna thank you each and everyone for subscribing my channel. And I have completed 100 subscribers. I'm really thankful for each and everyone, and thank you for the love and support. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much, guys. And let's start with the topic today. Yes, guys, we everyone want to crack any interview because it's the most crucial thing and most important thing in anyone's life, because here we take the step to stand in our life on our own lives. Guys, I will tell you about my personal example. I have attended around 30 to 40, and I have given 30 to 40 interviews to get a job. And you might now know that how much I have struggled to get that job. And while we were giving this interview, each and every time I used to analyze that what went wrong and what was the thing I need to prepare, and that was eliminated in every next round of my interview. And hopefully it took me long to get a job in Bangalore. So I want you to eliminate this mistake and get that job for you. How to do this? The very first thing is you need to eliminate the fear of failure. This is the very common thing each and everyone carry, because we want ourselves to get selected in the interview, and but we deep inside have that fear that what if we get eliminated, what if the interviewer don't select us. So we have that fear of failure while we go to the interview. So I want you to eliminate this first. You need not to worry about getting failed. You just need to worry about the one thing is that the interview which is scheduled or the opportunity which you have got is for selecting the peoples, and you should go with the positive mindset that yes, I will be doing good in the interview. I will be speaking confidently, and when you do this, you have half done, and you will be having that confidence, and you will speak confidently throughout your interview. So first thing is that eliminate the fear of failure, and after you eliminate the fear of failure, yes, you will start speaking confidently. And the second thing is preparation is the key, guys. Until and unless you prepare for the interview, you won't get that results. And luckily it happens that I have seen few of people or few of my friends where they have luckily got selected without preparation. But it didn't happen with me, and it might not happen with you also. So preparation is the key, guys. And how to prepare, I will tell you how to prepare for any interview. There's a website called as glassdoor.com. Please visit the website, and here you will find all the details of any organization. What is that organization, what the organization is looking for, what are the skills the organization is looking for, and what will be the salary package, and each and everything will be mentioned in that website. And when you go through the website for the organization which you are going for the interview, then yeah, you will be taking, and you will be knowing the what the organization is doing. And when you know that what the organization is doing, then how can you help, and what are your values that can help the organization will really matter. Here what you need to do is find that three skills which the organization is looking for, and that three or two to three skills you should be really perfect, you should be really good at it. And if you are good at the two to three skills which they have told, then you will be speaking about those two or three skills in the interview. And yeah, coming to the interview part, here now you have lost that fear of failure, you have prepared. And preparation also has what was your previous experience, if you have that experience, or if you are fresher, what are those subjects which you are really having that knowledge, or having that each and everything knowing to you. So that is the thing. And when you come to interview, the very first question the interviewer asks is tell me about yourself. See, guys, here I want you to understand this is that the interviewer will be having your resume, each and everything what you have done, and each and everything what you are will be in that resume, and the interviewer will be going through your resume. And when he asks that tell me about yourself, I want you to answer in this way, guys. Just tell your name, and when you have gone to the glassdoor.com website of that organization, when you have looked for that skills which the organization is required, I want you to tell about those skills. So first you will tell your name and the skills which and the values which the organization looking about them, and elaborate it. When you do this, guys, you will be ahead of everyone out there, because here you are not telling about. It happens that we start with our name, we tell about our education qualification, we tell about our hobbies, and then if we have previous experience we tell about it. But it's already mentioned in the resume. It's not required that you tell about this. But I want you to answer by telling your name and values that will be adding, your values that will be adding, like your values that will grow the organization. So here you win the interviewer's mind. Yeah, and the second thing and the very important thing what I feel is there comes a situation or there comes a question where you don't know the answer. It had happened with me also. So I want you to be very honest with this. When you don't know any answer of a question which interviewer asks, just tell honestly that you don't know the answer about this. But what you can do is like you can get back to the interviewer by taking his mail ID and finding the answer and mailing him the answer. So that is how the answer should be given for the question which you don't know. What I have done is like, see, one of my interview, I had that in my mind that I need to get this cleared. I want this job really badly, and each and every question I thought that I need to answer each and every question so that I get selected. But it happened that one of the question which I was not knowing the answer, I was trying to give the answer in some haphazard manner where I also felt that this answer is not correct. Then the interview caught, and he came to know that I was I was not telling the right answer, and that what led to me for not getting selected. So that is my learning, that you need to be really very honest with the things which you do. You just need to answer whatever you know, and if you don't know, just tell them that you will get back to the interviewer, because you need to understand here that interviewer will be knowing each and everything about you. They have that experience. They will catch us really easily. So don't let that happen to you. So that's the thing. And the third thing is that the interviewer will be asking you where you wanna see yourself after 5 years. So this question I feel is like regarding the stability of yourself, how long you will stay with the organization, and how you will grow with the organization. So this answer should be based upon your interest for that organization and how long you will be staying to grow yourself and to grow the organization. And lastly, the interview ends with the question that is there anything to ask to me? Here, I want each and every one of you to ask two questions. Two questions, like the very first question is, how was the interview? Like how well you perform? Ask this question. And the second is there anything to learn from this interview? So here, if there are some learnings, the interview will be telling you about that. And if you ask these two questions, you will have an edge over others, because you are really keen to know about how you did. So that's the very thing, guys. This is the overall thing that you need to do in any of the interview. Go with that preparation. Tell them what you know, and if you don't know anything, just tell them that you don't know, but you will get back to them with that answer. And yeah, and at lastly, ask those two questions which I told, so that you will be having again edge over others. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. Hope you clear any of the interviews based upon these learnings. And the very important thing here is, guys, you need to have that urge to get selected in any of the organization. Carry that urge with you and go and attend the interview. You will be really confident. You will be, whatever you have prepared, you will be very good at it, and you will speak very fluently. And communication also matter. Work upon your communication. And yeah, I want you to get selected at very first go. Prepare whatever is required. Go through the Glassdoor website and do your best, and hopefully you will get selected in any of the interview. Hope you loved this one, and yeah, thank you, guys.